In this video, I'll show you how you can use an AI tool called Pictory.ai to create YouTube videos. Now these are perfect if you want to create cash cow channels, if you just want to garner attention, or if you want to promote an affiliate product. So here is Pictory.ai. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below. You can see video creation made easy. So you can get started for free with no credit card, and if you go to the pricing section here, you can see with the free trial, you can create up to 3 video projects, each of 10 minutes long, so you might as well try it out and get started now. So once you've clicked on the link in the description and you've signed up to Pictory.ai, you should be taken to the dashboard. Here you can choose one of these 4 options to create a video. Now the video that I'm going to make is going to be with the script to video tool, and I'd recommend this one as well for your videos. So go ahead and click on proceed, and all you need here is a video name and a script. Now I've created my script with ChatGPT, so if you want to do that, you can do that as well. My video is about car camping, so I'm going to enter the name here, car camping for beginners. Car camping is when someone uses their car to obviously drive around, explore, and then camp in the night in like a beautiful location. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my script from ChatGPT here. Then I can go ahead and proceed. Now you can choose what template you want to use. So this is going to be your template for subtitles. The one I use and the one I recommend is this subtle default one here. So go ahead and click select and then choose. If you're making YouTube videos 16:9, you can also make YouTube shorts as well and Instagram reels. But for YouTube videos, choose 16:9, click select, and then it will take you into the editor. So now you're inside the Pictory.ai editor. Now you might get a bit confused here, but I'll just explain what's going on. So when you paste in your script, it's going to break down your script into scenes, and it's going to grab keywords here out of the scenes. So you can see here for scene 1, it's recognized car camping and outdoors, and it's gave us a relevant video which fits with the script. Now we can edit this and we can edit the text, and I'll show you how you can do that. So first, maybe you want to edit the text. So if we click on the text, it's going to open these tools here. You can change the font of the text, you can change the size. You can also tweak the script here as well and retype stuff if it isn't exactly how you want it. If you click on this button here, it's going to apply those edits to all of the scenes, so you don't have to worry about changing each scene. So now let's go through these scenes and let's change the video. So I think the first video is okay. Car camping is a fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. So we'll go to scene 2. And scene 2 is, it's a beginner-friendly activity that's perfect for those who love to travel and explore new places. Now, if we didn't like this video here, we could go to visuals, and in visuals, we can just type in something like explore. Then we're going to get all of these videos here that we can add instead of this one. So if we click on this one, it's going to add this video instead of the automatically generated video. And if it's being a bit slow, it's because it's my computer, not Pictory.ai. It's because you're dealing with a lot of videos. So now we'll go to scene 3, and we can do this thing here for all of these scenes. Whether you're just looking to spend a few days in the wilderness or just a weekend getaway, car camping is a great option. So I'm going to click here, getaway, and we'll just kind of choose one that fits. Okay, so you can leave this as default. You can change as many as you want. Now, I'm not going to show you that because, I mean, you just do the same thing over and over again and you choose different scenes. One thing I am going to show you though is if you go to audio, I really do recommend you add background music and you add a voiceover. Now you can do all of this inside of Pictory.ai. So if you go to audio, it's then going to give you their 15,000 tracks that you can use. I've already got one applied, so I'm just going to clear that and we'll choose one here. Now for some reason it's only showing me one song which is automatically applied, but they do have more. It's just being slow on my computer for some reason. What I would do when you've chosen a song, you want to go to audio settings, and by default 100% is way too loud, so take this to between 10 and 15%. Then you can go to voiceover and you can add a voiceover. So you can choose any of these voiceovers that they have. You can also preview them by clicking on the play button, but we'll just apply a random one here. We'll just apply Matthew. Okay, so now we've done that. Now, if you've got your own voiceover software like Murph.ai, which is one of the best AI text-to-speech softwares out there, which I will leave in the description, you can download and export this and upload your own audio to Pictory.ai. You do that by going to My Uploads and upload your own audio file here. But anyway, once you've figured out the background music and the text-to-speech, you can then go here in the top right-hand corner to generate, and then generate your video. Then it's going to generate the video, which it sometimes takes around 20 minutes for this to generate, so I'll be back once this is done. Okay, so now you can see the video has been generated, and we're going to go ahead and click download, and that should then download it to the computer in the corner here. Now I'm going to play some of that video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember, all links will be in the description below.
Car camping is a fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoy the great outdoors. It's a beginner-friendly activity that's perfect for those who love to travel and explore new places.